We'll be dividing a given line AB into a number of equal parts. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the line AB using our T-square and pencil or a ruler and pencil. We're going to measure 8 centimeters for the given line for today's video. We're going to label the line AB. So whatever your length is, you measure the length that you need. From A, going to draw a line, any angle, any length going down. So this length can be any length. Then you're going to open your compass to about 12 centimeters and you're going to mark arcs along this line equal to the same radius. And you're going to mark the arcs based on the number of parts that you want to divide the line into. So we're going to label these arcs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are dividing the line AB into 5 equal parts. We're going to use our rule and we're going to join 5 to B. So we use our pencil and we draw a line 5 to B. Then we're going to get a set square, any one of them. We're going to align the smaller set square on the line 5B. Then we're going to put the taller set square below the first one, and we're going to hold on the second set square. And we're going to use the second set square as a straight edge to slide the first set square along the second set square. So we're going to draw a line parallel at 4. We're going to slide up the first set square to 3. We're going to slide the next this set square to 2. Then we're going to slide the set square to point 1. This is how you divide a given line into a number of equal parts. So we divided the line AB into 5 equal parts. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label the drawing. So we're going to draw guidelines about 4 millimeters apart. So 2 divide a line into the required I'm going to draw 2 more guidelines so that we can complete the title for the drawing. Number of equal parts. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we divided a given line AB into the required number of equal parts using our T-square, compass, pencil, and ruler. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. We thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be looking at how do we draw a given line and divide this line into a given ratio. For example, divide the line AB into the ratio 2, 3, 4. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.